Hey folks, it's been a few weeks since I last gave a garden update. Not sure what kind of flower this is, but I love seeing it in the garden. It blends in well with the fade on this butter's breath. I'm still dealing with some watering issues in the 30-gallon pots, but slowly getting all of the soil moist again. The wedding cake, a cross of butter's breath, has a similar fade going on. These little red flowers from the cover crop make the pots feel like they have more life in them. There's just something about organic that's hard to beat. Plucked a few nanners off this guy last week, probably due to the watering issues and dry pockets of soil. So far, the Rainbow Sundae 11 isn't getting nearly the same fade. Mostly looks like nitrogen deficiency and underwatering affecting the leaves. The sugar leaves do have some color on them though. Nice chunky flowers. I should really find out what these other plants are in here. Usually cut them down when they're a lot smaller, but I'm just leaving them to vibe out this run. Got some more random flowers in the crystal blue pot as well. Getting a super fruity residue rubbing off when I pluck some of the dying leaves off this one. The main cola is going to be pretty fat on this guy. As beautiful as the organic is, it just can't compare in size to the cocoa. Trouble grape is one of the smaller plants in the cocoa this round, but easily 4 times larger than any of the organics. Did some defoliation on the cocoa and ended up with several pounds of leaves, mostly taken off from the bottom. We will see how it reacts over the next few days and do some more trimming up top. I did trim some fan leaves on the top of this Casa Blunita. It had a thick canopy. Taking a closer look, we can actually see some color coming through on those sugar leaves. It's kind of hard to get in there and get a good look at this one. That's why I'm committing to only 2 in the cocoa next round. Still not sure how this 10 is going to fare in the summer yet, so we want to take some precautions. Now this rainbow road is just insane. Haven't done any defoliation on the top, and it's all sprawled out into a massive canopy and stacking flowers. It looks like I used a trellis net on this one. Some slight purple coming through on this one as well. This popesicle probably ended up as the smallest plant in the cocoa. It's been fighting cow mag issues the entire grow. I guess it just really wants a ton of cow mag. It still has some good potential to be a large plant, around 275 grams or so maybe. Despite the small issues this run, I'm loving how the 10x10 has turned out. Hope to see you next week. And for those curious about an update on my cat, she's hanging in there. Kidney disease is a rough one. She's getting lots of love and lap time. Be good to yourself. You deserve it.